So what I want you to kind of feel, because I think you're just starting to get back on your toes, that one ball you hit that was like 215, that was when you were a little more centered. You had your weight a little more distributed evenly throughout your feet, you know. So if you can just kind of get that feeling where you're going to be hanging back on your toes a little bit, just kind of exaggerate that, or not your toes, but your heels. Because I mean, if you can exaggerate that motion, it's going to feel awkward, but you're kind of going to naturally want to like go back to hanging on your toes again. So it's going to kind of even out a little bit.
And what we're going to work on right now is we're just going to work on your path of your putter. I think that's the what's that? Do you tend to yank it left or right at all?
I'd say more
Often you push it. Okay. All right. Well, that's why I like this drill, because what it does is it essentially just makes you focus a little more on your club path. Great. So go ahead and just give me like, we'll probably do about 4 of these. Because obviously that one's buried. So you don't necessarily need to close the face as much. I think a square plate face will do. And a lot of people, what they do is they just dig and they stop, you know.
Yeah, you gotta
Make sure that you kind of follow through a little bit more, because you want that. What happens is that sand, you need to throw sand out, and that sand is going to be what's going to be able to release with the golf ball. So just kind of square your face a little more, and don't have it as shut. And then have a little bit more of a follow through. And
I'd take the 3 out of play a little bit more, but I mean, it was my kind of windy day club, or just kind of trying to
Keep it low and
yeah.
let it run.
I'm fairly confident off the tee today, so
That's good.
it's nice.
I mean, you're hitting shit out of it. I mean, 1.49, that's getting pretty much all of it out of it. I think you were getting up on your toes again. Getting hot.
A little bit. I can say it's like 75 in here.
70.
Alright.